Just before we start, is my hat straight, my mortarboard, is that straight? Because you know, is one of the things about an MBA, it's not just about the learning, Christopher. It is about the posing. Very good. That's better. Hello. I am Professor Sebastian Longsword from the MBA School of MBA Credentials. I was just doing some light reading. Philip Kotler's wonderful term, marketing, which if you enroll for our special elective, textbook and wine pairing held every autumn, you'll find that I pair this with a lovely little Pinot Noir. But I'm here today to talk to you about the Adelaide Fringe semester of a Lunchtime MBA. Wouldn't you like to reclaim the business lunch and make it truly tax deductible? Well, I think we have the answer. You don't need to do these MBA programs that take 2 years, or even these accelerated ones that take 1 year or 3 months, when you can come for lunch and leave with an MBA. Isn't that efficient?
It's actually the same amount of time as a netball game. The professor even had a break at half time.
As a young person and a lazy person, I also lack commitment. And that's when I heard about a Lunchtime MBA, and it was fantastic to get a degree in an hour.
It seemed the perfect fit for me. I could get my MBA very quickly and also suss out the lunch situation.
So what method of learning can one use in a Lunchtime MBA? Well, I can tell you what we don't use. We do not use online learning. I think what really gives you the best bang for your MBA buck is to be there, close to your faculty, so you can reach out and grasp their ideas with your own hands. Now, don't get me wrong. I might be all against online learning, and you might think, well, there's Professor Longsword back from the dark ages. No, no, no. We embrace modern technology in our learning techniques. For example, we embrace virtual reality. Yes. From the moment I've started using VR in my lectures, I must say, teaching has never been quite so enjoyable. The gamification of my career has led me to the highest score on numerous occasions. We also teach great principles drawn from the body of MBA work, and we demonstrate them in ways that students find memorable. Perhaps one of the most enduring and endearing lessons is that of the special formula we've created. Problems which we confront at all time in our lives, plus MBA thinking equals solutions when they're brought together. Isn't that magnificent? That's the sort of crystal clear thinking we share in our MBA.
What I enjoyed most about a Lunchtime MBA was, of course, Professor Longsword. He was very engaging. I also enjoyed being able to drink a nice icy cold Coca-Cola whilst studying for my MBA, and also a range of other products that I was able to enjoy, like Sprite.
You know, in netball we wear our positions. We have bibs and wear our positions. Whereas in the MBA we don't wear bibs because we know our position in the organisation.
I would highly recommend doing a Lunchtime MBA. The lunch is fantastic, and you get an MBA on the side.